Hi everybody and welcome back to our series on how to work with WebDigAIRange. And this time Alex is going to explain to us how to build a story.
To create a story, first choose the story which you want to work on and add the metadata. So here the title, and here for example you can add your name. Then you save it. And as a next step we need some content. In this demo all the content is located in the content pool. So I will go over to the content pool, grab a jingle and put the jingle over here right into my story. Now it's inside the story. And I don't want only a jingle, I also want a text element to go here. So let's go back into the content pool. There's an example text which I want to take and put into my story, which is somewhere down here. So now my story contains the jingle and the example text.
Thanks, Alex. Okay, everybody, that's it for this part. In the next part, Alex is going to tell you all about how to record voiceovers in WebDigAIRange. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget, David Systems, listening in action.